Welcome back to SolidWorks tutorial. Today we are going to design a simple part in SolidWorks. So it is a good example for the beginners who want to learn SolidWorks. So let's see how to design. So first of all, see the drawing, and first of all select the front plane and make the two circle of diameter 40 mm and 60 mm. So let's see how to design. So go to the file, then select new, then select part, then OK, and change the background to plain white. So simply select and make it plain white, and on the front plane make the sketch. So simply select the front plane, right click, sketch, then normal, and make the two circle. Now from this point and go to the smart dimension. The first circle will be 40 mm. So click, then OK, and outer circle will be 60 mm, then OK, and make the line from end point to circle this, and make the trim to this part of circle. So simply select power trim and press the mouse right key, click and drag to it will be trim. See, and also trim this. So simply and drag. Now OK, and now see it will be extruded from 50 mm. So from the we can extrude through mid plane or blind as you required. So go to the features and make the extrude boss base and click 50 mm, then OK, and the condition will be mid plane. So select mid plane, then OK, and we can sketch this part on this face, and from the center line the distance between this point and this line will be 50 mm, because all the length is 100 mm. So simply it will be 50 mm, and this line will be 50 mm. So on this face select, right click, sketch, then normal, and make the corner rectangle. So simply select corner rectangle, and from this corner and this, and the length will be 50 mm. So select it, make it 50 mm, then OK, and this will be also 50 mm. So select 50 mm, then OK, and now make the mirror to this sketch. So simply select center line and make it, and go to the mirror entity, select all the sketch and mirror about this line, then OK, and make the extrude up to 10 mm. So select the extrude from this face will be 10 mm. So simply go to the feature and select extrude boss base and make it 10 mm, and it will be reverse direction. So simply reverse, and the result will be merge, then click OK, and we make the fillet. This corner will be 12.5 mm. So make the fillet, go to the fillet, and the radius will be 12.5, then OK, and select this corner and also select this corner, then okay. And on this face make the extrude cut of 10 mm. So simply select this face, right click, sketch, then normal, and select the circle and see the center point. If you select on this last corner, it see the center point of circle, so simply make the circle from this point. So select this and the diameter will be 10 mm, so click 10 mm, then okay. And also make the circle from this point, so from this point and go to the smart dimension and make it 10 mm. Now we extrude cut this both circles, so go to the features and select the extrude cut and condition will be through all, then okay. Now we create this part, so this length will be 50 mm and the upper length will be 40 mm. So go to this face, so on this face make the sketch, so simply select this face and right click, sketch, then normal, and make the corner rectangle, so simply select corner rectangle and from this point to this, and go to the smart dimension and its length will be 50 mm, so select 50 mm, then okay. But this length will be 40 mm, so select 40 mm, then okay. And extrude up to 10 mm. See, it will be extruded from this face 10 mm, but it inside, so make it. So simply go to the features and select extrude boss base and make it 10 mm and it extrude inside, and the result will be merge, then okay. And from this face make the extrude cut, so simply select right click, then normal, and make the center line, so select center line, then okay. And make this sketch, so go to the line and select the line up to this, and now drag it, then this line, and now join this line, and make the relation between both lines will be symmetric, so simply select this line with shift key, and now select this line and select this line and make it symmetric, then okay. And the distance between both lines will be 15 mm, so select this line and this line will be 15 mm, then okay. And from this lower corner to the circle distance will be 25 mm, so go to the smart dimension, select this point, and this point will be 25 mm, then okay. Now extrude up to next this part, so go to the features and select extrude cut, and the condition will be up to next, then okay. Now we created this part, and we apply all the dimension to this part. Now we make the fillet on this corner will be 5 mm, so simply go to the fillet and select 5 mm and make the fillet this point and again this point, then OK. And if you want to apply the material on this part, so go to the appearance and select any material if you want to apply. So I select the chrome plate and simply drag to this part. It will be automatically selected, then OK. Now you created this part in SolidWorks, so it is good example for the beginners. I hope you like it. Thank you.